5, a case that changed the entire state of Texas took a major turn today. Meagan Work pled guilty to crimes in the death of her 2-year-old son, Colton Turner. After 4 years of work, a plea bargain. KXAN's Phil Prazen is here with new details.
Meagan Work walked into a courtroom as an innocent woman for the last time. She pled guilty to injury to a child and trying to hide the evidence.
What she has admitted to is not taking him for medical care, and that weighs heavily on her.
Her attorney, Darla Davis, says she still could face jail time from 5 years to life. But they made the deal after negotiating for a week. Prosecutors agreed to drop the charge, indicating Work killed her son.
Once they were willing to let go of that, then it became much easier because she does admit responsibility to those things that she did.
It's a very satisfying day, but we now need to move to punishment.
Now, Judge David Wahlberg will decide what the punishment will be because Work waived the option for a jury to sentence her. District Attorney Margaret Moore expects 4 days of testimony in November.
I'm hoping that we now move closer to closure for the rest of the family.
Both Work and her boyfriend, Michael Turner, are now legally guilty of injury to a child by omission. That means neither of them are guilty of injury to a child that killed Colton Turner in the eyes of the law. But this crime did go further than the courtroom. It spawned a new law trying to protect children. Colton's law makes Child Protective Services notify the Department of Public Safety of possible at-risk children. Now, the goal is to help officials find missing children faster. Meagan Work and her boyfriend had run-ins with the law before the 2-year-old died. However, at the time, local law enforcement had no way of knowing CPS was looking for her and Colton. The new law means if a child's parent or guardian is pulled over and flagged, they can be detained. And if CPS says the child could be in danger, an officer can take the child into protective custody. Robert.
Phil, thanks. This case began in 2014. Colton was reported missing in September of that year. His body was found days later when Work's boyfriend, Michael Turner, took police to where they buried it in southeast Austin. Investigators say Colton died from injuries caused from abuse. Turner ended up taking a plea deal, sentenced to 20 years in prison. And right now, Turner is in a state prison unit in Childress, southeast of Amarillo. While he was sentenced to 20 years, Turner could be paroled in December of 2022 for good behavior.